abeg, I don't tire. Every time I try this Google Veo 3 Indian offer, it could just talk say not available in your country. I don't use VPN, tire. E no gree work again.
Why you dey stress yourself like this? You never hear say Coach Mira don show how to get Google Veo 3 12-month subscription for free and no VPN needed.
Wait oh, you serious? Without VPN, for real?
Yes now. She talk say e don land for Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Rwanda, South Africa, even Zimbabwe join. No be small thing o.
Ha! So we fit use am for year like that. This one sweet me that.
Nah, so no dey dull yourself again. May we go watch Coach Mira tutorial together. She go show you step by step how it take work. You sef no miss out o. Go join Coach Mira's class make you learn how to get your Veo 3 access for free.
I know how most of us have been struggling to get access to Google Veo 3 2-month subscription. Most times, you have to use a VPN, which can be really tiring. And because of that, many of your creative projects end up being limited simply because you don't have the right access. But what if I told you that you can now access Google Veo 3 2-month subscription without using a VPN or any other complicated source? Yes, it has finally landed in Africa. This new offer is officially available in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Rwanda, South Africa, and Zimbabwe, and it's 100% legit. The best part, it was designed for students, but even if you're not a student, you can still benefit from it through Google AI Plus or the free trial. No hacks, no tricks, just smart access. Isn't that incredible? Now, I want you to follow this tutorial step by step, because if you skip any part, you might not understand how to go about it properly. Take every step seriously so that by the end of this video, you have your own working Veo 3 account, no VPN, no stress, no barriers.
Step 1: Gmail account generation.
I'm going to show you how to create this Gmail account. Firstly, you're going to go to your Gmail. Alright, so when you've gone to your Gmail, you're going to select here. And click here on your profile. You scroll down and choose Add Account. You select Gmail. So you select your Gmail. And this is where what I'm going to type. We're going to use create account, for my personal use. Then this is where I'm going to type in the name. I'm going to use it's either an Igbo name or an English name. An Igbo name, Yoruba name, just Nigerian name, okay? So if you are residing in Ghana, you can name. If you are residing in Ghana, you can use your Ghanaian name, okay? So I'm going to type Adane. The last name I can use James. So I'll select next. Then for the months, you use any random month of your choice. Let me use April. Then the date I can use 12th. Then year 2002. So I'll use 2002. The gender is I'll use female. Then I'll select next. Alright, so they're asking me to pick. They're asking me to pick the username I want, but I'll select next. Then the password. I can choose any password of my choice. I can use any password of my choice. So I've chosen the password that I want. Alright, so as you can see, I've been able to create my email account.
Step 2: passport generation.
Passports. Okay. So just go to Google AI. I believe you know how to do this. Go to Play Store and download Grok. Alright. So when you come over here, just click like this. Just type generate a Nigerian so this is what I said. I said generate a Nigerian passport size image. of a 20 years old student in a blue background. So I'll hit generate. All right, so let's wait. Generate a passport size image of a beautiful Nigerian female 20 years old student with a blue background. So I'll hit generate. So just choose the one you want. Okay. So I'll choose this one. I'll download it here. Okay. Just choose the one you want. As you can see, download started. So it's downloaded. So if you scroll down, you will see a lot of them. You can download as much as you want so that you'll not start downloading again. Okay. So just choose the ones you want. Okay. Just choose more. All right.
Step 3, signature download.
Now, in order to get the signature, all you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser and type signature image PNG. Just type signature image PNG. It must be in PNG. All right. Now you can choose anyone you want. If you click on it, then you select download. So this is how to get your signature. Okay, you can choose any signature of your choice and definitely it's gonna work. All right. If you're already getting value from this tutorial, then tell me, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, and share so others across Africa can also benefit from this golden opportunity.
Step 4, school logo download.
Type Federal Polytechnic Nekede. I'll select search. Federal Polytechnic Nekede logo PNG. So I'll select generate. So this is it. Okay. So this is it. So just tap on it and download. That's what this. So I'll click on it and download. Okay, so that is what I did. So for the students, I'll choose this one. Signature, I'll still choose my signature. Okay, then this is Federal Polytechnic, or the name is Alane. The roll number then the year is 2002. Date is 12th April. I'll set it. Okay, this is 22, so okay. Then this address is Federal Polytechnic Nekede, or then the phone number is Nigerian phone number, any random Nigerian phone number. Then this is it. After that, you select download. So download successful. So let's go to, let's use this packer. So let's go on. and select verify eligibility. Now, I've already filled in those details. I'm going to add documents now. I'll select this one. I'll select submit. As you can see, you've been verified. So I'll select get Google Pro. Then I'll select get students offer. I'll select agree. So I'm going to type in my card details. I'm going to type in my card details. So I'll select this is 12 months. Make sure it's written 12 months. If it's not written 12 months, please forget about it. Okay. So I'll select continue. Then I'm going to select add card. And I'm going to add in my card details. After inputting my detail, I'll select save. Now they say subscribe. Just select subscribe. This is very, very easy. Very easy. Subscribed. And you see that, just select cancel. This is beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Wow. 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 This is it. This is it. This is it. This is pro. Wow. So as you can see, Adane, I'll be subscribed. So you have to go to your Play Store and cancel this subscription. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and tell me in the comments what next tutorial you'd love me to drop for you. I'm Coach Mira, signing out. And remember this, the future belongs to those who learn, create, and stay consistent. Your dream tools are now within your reach. Don't wait for perfect timing. Start creating with what's in your hands today.